So I will present now one most interesting app. It is called Orga app. It is not. It is one of our new app. We don't have much customer, but maybe after watching this, the feature you will use it. This app is used for mapping your tracker device to participant, and also this app you can use for tracker management. So you can manage your tracker on website and just scan it. So I will show you. I will share my screen. So after login, you will see a simple UI. Here I will explain only connect participant. Companion will be explained by Carl because it is related to tracker management. You can see the connect participants. You can see the search button. For example, I have created one event. So there I want to map trackers. I will search. So it is selected now. I can see 24 participants, but no one are connected. For example, Rafael, your name. I will search your name here. I can see your name here. This is your race number. It is written on your ID card. I will scan one device. This tracker is connected now. I will give it to you. So you will use this during the race. For example, okay, I can search with the ID card number. Maybe Conrad, what is your race number?
5304. It's different than what you have written on here. But it's
okay. So it's my mistake. So yeah, you can search with the number also.
good.
Scan tracker. So it is my old phone. Like it is an old phone, that's why it is not working, but it will work on your phone. Like this, you can scan your event, scan your device, and you can give this device to participant. It will be more faster and easy to handle it. So yeah, you just need to scan and give participant. That's why this app.
It's not a need, it's a can. Both options are supported. It depends on what you prefer for your, let's say, processes on the race ground. You can set up everything beforehand and have each device assigned to a specific participant maybe 2 days before. Or if you are uncertain, maybe one participant will not appear, and then you have one device left. You can do it flexibly right at the moment when you provide the device to participants that are really there. For this use case, we have designed this workflow. But each other option is, of course, supported.
Now I can see that Conrad is also connected.
Thanks. Yeah.
So I just have to give. So like this, I can scan multiple devices. First, it will be faster and easy to use. So for example, that mobile is one user. This is another user. So I just scanned Conrad device using this Android phone. So parallelly, multiple user can do this.
Next iteration. Now I'm a participant. I'm nervous. I'm uncertain if this device is really my device. Maybe a mistake happened. What do I do?
So as a participant, it doesn't have any screen.
Yeah, it doesn't have any screen. There's no label on it. What do I do? Just scan the QR code. Do it. Show it.
Does it make a difference?
Yeah, if I want to do, I don't want to bother the help desk. Yeah, the help desk people can say, okay, now this is your device, and if you want to check the device status, please share the screen when you scan the QR code. They can check themselves.
Yeah, but does it make a difference if it's your tracker or my, as long as it's not connected to me?
Yeah, but I want the Konrad dot represents Konrad's position and not your position. So that's why
When you mean when it's already connected to you?
now
Yeah.
the
Okay.
copy,
Yes. Yeah.
after
Because before it doesn't make different at all. Yeah.
there's no difference.
Yes.
Just using built-in camera, I'm scanning the QR code. It will redirect to the URL, and it is anyone can see the device status here.
Yeah,
You don't need to have account.
it's just public. Yeah.
So if you have any question about Orga app, you can ask. If you don't have any question, you can follow us. This is one URL of Linktree. Maybe I can explain it. If you scan it, you will see this page on your phone. You can have all social media link here in one page. You can have documentation, updates, download our tracking app, and you can book video call from here also. So one of the useful compact link.
Find the location and send it through WhatsApp.
There's no button like copy the location in the tracker management or in the map. This is in SafeMap. Such a copy function.
The safe map of it. Okay.
But we discussed this, let's say, use case, Jens, during the morning run. If there's a use case, I think this should be part of the tracker management to be always able to, let's say, copy the latest location and to be able to drop it in WhatsApp or on email or so. This is not a big deal.
It's happened with me.
Yeah. If it is happen, we should provide a solution. Yeah. Thanks for the feedback.
So, but maybe I want to ask the question to you, Miguel. If somebody loses its tracker,
Yeah.
and it's still online, how do you find it?
Just last year, I had to call the. How do you find it? Well, sometimes you don't. Like somebody, it dropped on the road in France. We had the last location. Used Google Maps to find the exact address. Called the town hall because I couldn't find the guy's number. We never. I mean, if you're lucky, you get it back. But
That's the step he's interested in. How you got the location to Google Maps?
how do I get the location to Google Maps? Well, I just looked on RACEMAP where the last location was, and then I just went to Google Maps and went to Street View and then looked at the
Visual comparison.
the mailbox and tried to see the name.
I will go in the tracker management. I see the small frame on the top right, and yes.
You just compared the two maps. There was no copy paste involved. So
No. So related to that, I got a really cool story. I don't know if I told Conrad or anyone. Last year, race across France, second night, 2 a.m. We get a call. Somebody's bike was stolen. So the guy lost. He didn't even call us from his phone number. He went peeing in a public toilet by a church, left his bike against the wall, left his jersey with his wallet, with his phone, with the tracker on the bike, with everything, walks out, nothing. Everything is gone. Like his bike was worth 10,000 euros or something.
worst day.
Well, yeah, but then luckily we got RaceMap. So now we know where the tracker is. So we tell the guy, okay, if you want to find your phone and your bike and your wallet and everything, this is where it is. So we guide the guy because he's phoning with the next guy's mobile. So they walk around, they go to the football pitch, nothing. The thing lasted a couple hours, total 7 days. The thing that saved us is they threw the tracker in somewhere, in a pond or something, because at some point it stopped broadcasting. So we know roughly where it is. The guy found his phone again. We used all the RaceMap information. I can show you the file. We have maps, we have this. Went to the police station the next day, printed this and gave it to them and said, okay, somebody stole my bike. Here's all the information you need to know. The thing that saved him is he had a AirTag inside his toolkit inside his saddlebag. And the guy didn't know about that. And every 6 or 10 hours, it would ping because somebody would walk by with an iPhone. And so he was back in Paris. The guy started 2,500K, did 2 days of cycling, went home.
Yeah.
And then 7 days later, I'll show you the picture. He sends me a picture of his bike against a police car in France. And what he did is he kept pestering the cops. And he said, guys, my bike is somewhere here because I can see it.
Yeah.
And it was found under branches in the woods, literally 200 meters from where the last location from the tracker was. But I guess the guys, and the silly thing is the guys that stole it didn't realize there was a wallet in the jersey that was on the handlebar. So when they took it, it kind of got tangled into the wheels. And his money was there, his wallet was there, his phone, everything. No, he got his phone back. For the only thing that was stolen is his GPS. Yeah. 200 Garmin GPS.
So the thieves were really dumb.
Sorry?
The thieves were dumb.
Yeah. But
and they stopped him from racing. This is the sad part.
So again, I don't know what can be done. Not much more than what was done with the tracker, because it gave us a bit of a head start, and then after that, luckily he had an AirTag, because otherwise he would never have found his bike. Yeah. So it was an interesting story.